Alright, I'm here with my 2016 Subaru Outback, but I've got a little bit of a problem. The child lock on this door is locked and it's stuck. No matter how much I push up, down, rattle it, pry it, whatever I do, this door won't open. And so I'm going to show you today how to be able to open the door panel and resolve this issue so that you can disengage the child lock. Alright, the first thing I'm doing is popping off these plates, one here and the other down here in there. Then we're going to remove the screws. Just lift the plate up and unscrew them. There's the first one. Here goes number two. Next, we take a little break while the kitty jumps in the car and wants to see what it looks like with those screws removed. Number one, number two. We're going to grab on, and there's some clips under here. I'm going to grab onto this. I'm going to grip down here somewhere. Just pull the clips away from the car. Alright, got the first pop off there. Feels like this is a little easier of a spot to grab. Work around the panel. There's another one here. You can see there's the weather stripping under here. That weather stripping doesn't have to come off, just the panel. Okay, it looks like there's going to be maybe one more here. Okay, now that I popped up that last one in this corner, you can see the door's a little floppy. I'm just going to look to raise that up. And the panel should come nicely, neatly off. You got the door handle clips, and then you've got the power window clips. Now, if we want to remove those door cables, got the blue one here on the top. It just pops out from there. There's a little ball. And then the black one on the bottom. Now just twisting this a little bit. You'll see there's a little button right there that we got to push. That right there. When that gets pushed, that power window power lock button will detach. Alright, now as you've seen perhaps through the process, this lock button is stuck on and it won't come off. So I'm coming over here, gonna grab onto the door handle, just gonna fully actuate that all the way in and out a couple of times, and then maybe there we go. One more pump gets it. Something had slipped out where that was just going too far. Now you can see the lock moves freely just the way it should. Now all you have to do is put it back together, and your Subaru Outback rear door is going to function just the way it should.